Customer state after filter replacement, the car is sluggish.
Alright, customer states there's a rattle in his tire. I just think he's got the steering wheel hooked up to the wrong side.
(2007) Ford Focus. Vibrations at high speeds and brake pulsation. I think I found the problem. There's a set of vice grips pinching out the brake line. I mean, it doesn't really need pads or rotors, but, you know, it helps. Fun stuff.
Customer states car is riding poorly. I wonder why and how this even drove into the shop. And yes, the car came in this way.
Customer stage, driver's side taillight intermittently works. Might be electrical.
Customer states, heard popping in front of truck. Well, let's just go see what he's talking about.
Customer said their brakes are bad. Think it's a little more than the brakes. Maybe. I don't know. I'm just a technician.
That was not good.
All fine?
Uh-oh.
Fuck. It's crashed?
Yeah, but it was...
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Customer states brakes just started making noise.